I'll be showing you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. Now, the activity status is a green little dot that appears next to your profile icon in the DMs and also in the homepage at the top here. And that green little light shows when you're active online on Instagram. And so to hide that so that people can't tell when you're online, just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on this three-line button in the top right corner, and that should open the settings and activity page. Scroll down until you get to the section how others can interact with you, and tap on messages and story replies. And under that, you should see a section who can see that you're online, and you can see show activity status. Tap on that, and then it's currently enabled, and that means other people can see when I'm active or when I'm online on Instagram. So what you need to do is turn that off. Now, once you turn that off, no one can tell that you're active on Instagram. That little dot will never show on your Instagram profile picture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.